Hello students, let us see biological importance of magnesium and calcium. Okay, in first group we saw potassium ion and sodium ion. In this, now here a adult body contain here 25 grams of magnesium and 200 grams of calcium, whereas we have only 5 grams of iron and 0.06 grams of copper. Here you can see the intake of calcium and magnesium should be more. The daily requirement, if you see, it should be what, 200 to 300 milligrams. Okay, now role of magnesium, Mg+2 ion. Okay, ion, so it is present in the what, animal cells. Okay, concentrated means it is present. Okay, as you know very well, we have the animal cells, it is present in the concentrated in the what, animal cell. Here next we have the enzymes like phosphohydrolase and phosphotransferase. Okay, these are the enzymes. In these enzymes also we have the what, Mg+2 ion. Okay, these enzymes, what is the use of this enzyme means they are going to participate in ATP reaction. Okay, nothing but energy releasing process, and release energy in the they are going to participate in the reaction and going to what, release the energy. So for phosphohydrolase and phosphotransferase we have the ion Mg+2. Mg+2 form a complex with the ATP. So how it's going to react means this Mg+2 going to form the complex with adenosine triphosphate. ATP means what? Adenosine triphosphate. And it's also what, constituent of chlorophyll. As you know very well, chlorophyll is what, green pigments of plant. In that we have the Mg+2 ion. Next, role of calcium. So as you know very well, in the body almost 99% of our body is what, calcium is present in the what, bones and teeth. Okay, so maximum bones and teeth consist of what, 99% calcium. It also play important role in the neuromuscular function. Neuromuscular means what? Muscular means muscles. For the muscles we have the neurons. So in that, for the function of neuromuscular function we need the what, calcium along with the interneural transmission. So as you know very well, we know very well we have the neurons. Okay, so one neuron is going to what, how it's going to connect means we have some process in that. For the interneural transmission also we need the calcium. And cell membrane integrity and blood coagulation. So in the cell membrane also we have the calcium. And blood coagulation, coagulation means what, it's become what, somewhat lumps type. Okay, in that, for that also we need the calcium. Next, calcium concentration in plasma is regulated about the what, 100 milligrams per liter. Means if you take the 1 liter of plasma, in that we have 100 milligrams of calcium ion. And it is maintained by the hormones like calcitonin and parathyroid hormone. So how is going to maintain? By using the, how it's going to maintain by means by using the two hormones. What are those hormones? Calcitonin and parathyroid hormone. Calcium also necessary for the what, muscle contraction. As you know very well, our muscle is going to be contract. Okay, for that process also we need the calcium.